What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Sorry we didn't get a video out last week. It's been a rough week and a half. Kind of got sick and a lot of things going on, so it's been a little tough. But we've got some fun content for you guys. I'm excited. Quick update on the Nissan. It's in the garage. Completely done. Like, it needs nothing else. Did decide that I'm not going to be driving it, so I probably am going to sell that one. And so that's it for that. But in another video, we'll actually talk about the whole cost of it and everything that went into that car, and kind of give you an overview of what it takes. But today we got something exciting, and I'm excited about it. I've always wanted one of these cars. Never could really afford one, but with Copart, anything's possible. My brother was actually keeping an eye on one of the other Copart lots in the Pittsburgh area that I don't normally keep an eye on, and I found this car right here, which is really cool. Super excited. You probably saw there in the intro. This is a 2009 Volvo C70. Really cool car. It is a convertible like you normally don't see. So we're going to show you that. And actually, what I'd like to do is, I'm just going to take you around the car as it comes from Copart. Like, I haven't, minus one or two little things, I haven't really done anything to this car. I haven't cleaned the interior. I haven't taken off the window markings. So we're just going to show you as is, how it comes, what these things mean, and just kind of walk you through it the first time as I'm walking through it. So hope you enjoy it. Let's go ahead and dive in. Alright, so hopefully you guys can't hear the wind. We're getting some interesting weather today, but this is it, guys. This is a 2009 Volvo C70 Hard Top Convertible. Really love this car. I've always wanted one of these. It does have the high pressure turbo, so it's pretty jumpy for sure. It's got some power. So I really like Volvos, and I know a lot of people don't because they're expensive to maintain and whatnot, but honestly, if you're a DIYer like me and you can do some of the repairs and things yourself, they're really not bad. They're actually pretty easy to get into, and they last forever. Honestly, this thing has 108,000 miles on it. You know, it's easily good for another 100 grand, maybe more, if taken care of properly. So let's go ahead and show you around. So you can see on the windshield here, and hopefully it is sprinkling a little bit. Hopefully no raindrops are getting on the lens. It is a State Farm car. That's what the SF is, and hood's not attached. And you can see here, actually it looks like it's, there we go. So here it is under the hood. It's got the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder turbo. And basically all that happened to this car, and I actually pulled it out a little bit right here. Something fell on top of it. I don't know if it was a deer or if it was sitting in the lot and something fell on it, but something fell on the hood and then kind of like dented in the core support right here, which I already pulled back out, so it's not a big deal. And that was it, guys. We are missing a headlight, as you can see, which I already have on the way, and a grill. The bumper cover's fine. Like, there's no damage there. The passenger headlight's fine. Everything else is cool, so we just gotta get us a hood, and then of course paint it. I looked locally. I can't find one in this color. It's kind of a rare color. It's the metallic magic blue pearl. There we go. So yeah, so kind of interesting. Anyway, that was it. It was totaled for that. The hood and the core support, I guess. But we pulled it out. We're going to put the new grill in, headlight, hood, and this one from a cosmetic perspective is going to be fine. Might need a couple mechanical things. I don't know. Still got to look at it. But anyway, let's take a walk around. So as I said, this is as it comes from Copart. I didn't take any time to clean it up or do anything to it, so I'm just going to show you guys as is. Yeah, here it is from the side. Tires are okay. They're not great. I should have mentioned while I was up here too, I did check the fluids. Oil looks fine. We've got antifreeze. I think even the air conditioning works. So we shouldn't have too many issues. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the side of it here. Can't open this door too wide, but you can see it does have the blonde interior. Seats aren't bad. You can see it's a little cracked there. And this is right from Copart, guys. This is what it looks like. So we got some wrappers, and I think there's a lighter in there. See if I can swing you around here to the back seat. Back seat's in pretty good shape. And when this all cleans up, like, it even smells pretty good, guys. Like, it's rare to get a car from Copart that actually smells decent, but this one actually does. There's from the passenger side. We'll walk around and get you in on the other side. Pull up the trunk. Alright, so this is what it looks like in the trunk. If I flip this up, there's your trunk space with the top up, which is, quite honestly, a lot of trunk space. Like, there's a lot of room back here. It looks like we got a little bit of rust right there. Have to figure out what's going on there, but yes, here's the trunk. This has to be down for the top actually to function properly. And I will show you guys how that works, but yeah, nothing in the trunk, nothing exciting. I think I don't know if these actually have a spare in here, or if it's like down under the car. Comment down below if you guys know, but I should know because I've dealt with Volvos before, and usually it's okay. So there's the jack and everything. What do we have here? Got some interesting. Okay, so got some interesting things there. I'll have to look at that. I'm not going to show that in the video. It's got some personal stuff on it, but so we did find something kind of interesting. But yeah, there's the original jack and everything. So the tire may be under here or maybe under the car. I'm not really sure. Alright, here's the other side. It's extremely muddy out here. So as I said, tires are okay. They're not the greatest. 108,000 miles. There it is, guys. Floor's dirty. Here's the back seat. Pretty good shape, right? It's clean. I actually like the gray with the blonde leather. I think it looks pretty cool. So let me go ahead and get in here and we'll see if she wants to start today. The battery that came with it, not the greatest. Well, looking pretty good. All right. Oh, there we go. So it runs great, no issues there. You can see we do have the engine hood open, bulb failure, that's the headlight that's missing, and that's it. No check engine light. We do need gas. Like, we're really low on gas. But that's it. Like, everything works. Turn up the turn the fan. I actually really like this display. I think it's pretty cool. So my daily driver is a Volvo XC90, and they didn't update the interiors of those from like 2005 all the way to 2014. So this is kind of cool seeing this updated interior in this model for an 09. The emergency brake works. It does have Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, dual zone climate controls, radio. Yep, radio works. We don't want to get copyright. See everything there. This is the magic button for the top. So I'll actually set you guys up and show you how that works because I think it's really cool. Actually, you know what? Let's see if the yeah, we got wipers. Yeah, this is a nice car, guys. And as you saw in the title and in the thumbnail, 1,500 out the door. Got this car for $1,000, but 1,500 out the door. 108,000 miles. I mean, you can't beat that, guys. For a convertible, a 2009 hardtop convertible, like, unreal, right? It doesn't even need much. Like, it's absolutely mind-blowing to me that I own one of these now for what little I actually paid for it. Driver's side window works. Let's see. Yeah, it'll work just fine. Power steering feels great. Engine sounds great. Yeah, we are going to put a timing belt on this one. That's one thing with Volvos, they are interference engines. Is going to need a timing belt. It's 100,000. I don't see stickers anywhere or anything like that, so we are going to definitely have to do that. But I think real quick, I'm going to go ahead and set you guys up, and we'll put the top down, and then we'll look over a little bit more. Alright guys, here it is with the top fully down. And you can see it just, like this, just meshes perfect. Just comes up and looks really nice. Really cool car. I'm pretty psyched about it. This one is definitely, I can tell you right now, definitely going to be a keeper. I think it'd be the super fun in the summertime. Just cruise around in this, and for what I paid for it, I mean, can't go wrong. Sure, it needs some things. We'll be in it a couple thousand by the time we're done, but still, like, can't go wrong. Like, look how cool that is. So it's just really slick how it works too. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go ahead and set you guys back up, and we'll go ahead and put the top back up. So there you have it. That's about it for the 2009 C70, guys. I'm super excited, as I said, for this rebuild. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Definitely looking forward to it. We're going to start with the body, so we're going to do get the hood, headlight, and grille together, and then a couple mechanical things. I think the brakes and rotors are okay. I don't know about the suspension, so we're going to look at that. Just kind of go over it, make sure it's good for Pennsylvania enhanced inspection, and we're going to get this on the road. I'm excited to have this when the weather's nice. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the first reveal of the 2009 C70, and there'll be more content with this one for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. Truly appreciate it. Hope you enjoy the content. This one's gonna be fun. I'm excited about it. Always wanted one of these. I am super excited. Can't wait to get into it. Love working on Volvos too. Like my first car was a Volvo. I've been working on this 5-cylinder engine for, gosh, 10, 12 years now, probably, maybe a little bit more. So it's real exciting to get into something I already know too, and take a crack at it. But yeah, we did buy another car from Copart. So there'll be another video about that and what that is. You guys may or may not be disappointed, but I saw another deal and I just couldn't pass it up, so we got that one too. But gonna do the convertible rebuild next, and then we'll move on from there. And I'll also try and do a video of the wrap up of the Nissan, what we have into it and that kind of thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully we're back and healthy again and start putting out some videos. So if you like the content, go down and comment, subscribe. There'll be more videos like these and some interesting stuff coming up. Hit the like or dislike button either way. Let me know what you think, and take care, and we'll see you in the next video.